Hello, my name is John Hall and I'm the Laser Product Manager for Domino North America. I've been working with lasers for over 30 years, and today I'd like to speak to you about laser coating, but more specifically about the recent advancements in power concentration that can have dramatic improvements on your laser coating operation. Laser coating is fundamentally different than traditional coating methods. With traditional coating methods, you're applying some substance to create contrast. With the laser, you're using optical power at the substrate to have a material interaction that's going to create contrast for you. So if you need to go faster, if you need higher code quality, if you need to print larger characters or more information, all that involves getting more power to the substrate to do so. For example, a 25% reduction in spot size can yield a 100% increase in available power. So there's a couple ways that we can increase power at the substrate. One, we can increase the power of the laser source, say go from a 10 watt to a 30 watt laser, but when we do that, we have to pay for a more expensive laser, we have a larger footprint, it uses more energy. There's a more efficient way to do that. And that more efficient way is with power concentration, and that's taking the focus spot of the laser and reducing it such that it increases the intensity. So in effect, you're simulating the performance of a higher powered laser, but with the cost, the smaller footprint, and the less energy that a lower powered laser can provide. So with a power concentration, you're able to deliver all the performance without the compromise. Enhanced power concentration gives you the ability to do a lot more work, but what if your application is more routine? There's still a lot of value in enhanced power concentration. With enhanced power concentration, you have more power at the substrate, so the laser's not working as hard, and therefore that supports greater reliability. Regardless of your application, you're going to see benefit from advanced power concentration. Whether you're putting machine-readable codes on a pharmaceutical container, or lot and expiration date on food containers, or simply a date code on a PET bottle, you'll have benefit derived from advanced power concentration. These power concentration enhancements that have been made are a step function change compared to previous generations. We're achieving 2.5 times the power concentration delivered to the substrate, and that's what gives you the greater capability and performance. And one thing's for certain, you're never being asked to run slower or to print less information. As your coating requirements evolve, your laser has the capability to keep up due to enhanced power concentration. It's in the bank. So I hope you have a better understanding of the impact of power concentration and the advantages that it can provide in your operation. If you've tested the application before, it's time to test it again because there's been such a step function change, such an advancement in the technology that there are new options, a new opportunity, and more performance that's available to you today. I'm John Hall with Domino North America.